We are pleased to show you the 2010 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, OnStar, remote engine start, traction control, navigation system, running boards, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.